Hey guys, Eamon here from Infrared Heating Ireland. Today we're in a pharmacy here called Audrey's, and I just want to bring you inside just to show you what we've done. Heating this premises with infrared. So what was the client's options here? Well, they could put in air conditioning units, they could put in electric wall heaters, but probably not because of the restriction, because of premium wall space here needed for retail. So we recommended the panel to go into ceiling. So we've put two here. And then we have one right over the counter here, and then we've one down the back. So all these panels are controlled with our IR Sun regulator, which will regulate energy. These panels are a Sunlife One, so they're approximately 900 watts each, using around 1 unit of electricity an hour. So you can see here, there's no wires visible. It frees up all space. It puts a nice gentle heat down into the room, doesn't dry out the air, doesn't carry dust. So this is an excellent application for infrared, especially in a retail space and a sterile space like the pharmacy. So for more information, do check out our website, infraredheat.ie.